Dear brothers, sisters, and children, hope all of you are doing fine at your respective places. We are presenting to you this video with the intention of enlightening you on the history and genealogy of Pallikal family, a sub-branch of Edathumbadikal family at Pallam near Kottayam. The history is told to you in a voice-over narrative form. Here we go. Our ancestors belonged to Kodungallur in Thrissur district. It is believed that St. Thomas the Apostle first came to Kodungallur, built a church, and spread the message of faith and salvation across the state from there. From Kodungallur, one group migrated to Arnatugara near Thrissur in the 9th century AD, and from there to Agapparamba near Angamali in Ernakulam district for business and agriculture. Following discord with the king, the family headed by Mathu fled Angamali and reached Talil Kota, that is today's Kottayam. Mathu's son Kochimathu later moved to Tazhathangadi near Kottayam for business in 1612. After Kochimathu's death, his son Kurian had a flourishing business at Tazhathangadi. During this time, he financially helped a Tamburati, a female member of a royal family of Edathil Palace, Pallam. After Kurian's death, his son Ittimathu took over the business, but soon he was in debts. The then head of the Edathil Palace, as a gesture of appreciation for Kurian's financial help to his mother, invited Ittimathu and family to Pallam in 1685, built a house for them in front of Edathil Palace, and gifted them with land for agriculture. Thus came the family name Edathil Padikal. Padikal means at or near or in front of the gate, which later came to be known as Edathum Padikal. The following books vouch for the fact that Ittimathu and family were the first Christians to have settled down in Pallam area. Family meeting, Kudumbayogam. The first family meet of the Edathumbadikal family was held in 1936. They decided to publish the history and genealogy of the family. A three-member committee was constituted which included P.K. Maman, Pallikal Mallapalli, Kurianachan's son, and they brought out a brief history and genealogy of the Edathumbadikal family, and the book was published in 1939. An updated version of the book was released at the 2018 family meeting. Reverend P.M. Kurian, fondly called Kurianachan. Reverend P.M. Kurian belongs to the 9th generation of Edathumbadikal family at Pallam. He is rightly called the doyen of Pallikal family as the family owes its origin to him who settled down at Mallapalli West near Nedungadapalli Junction 6 generations ago. Kurianachan was born in 1845 as the second son of Mathu, Malayal Puthanpurikal, and Sara, the second daughter of O. Chathumenon, who took the lead in translating the Bible from English to Malayalam in 1819. After his schooling at Pallam, he joined CNI, Kottayam, where he completed his theological studies. In 1872, he was ordained as deacon by Madras Bishop Dr. Jalil. Kurianachan served as vicar of the following churches: Thrissur, Mundakayam, Mallapalli, Thalavadi, Kattanam, and Nedungadapalli. Reverend Kurian also set up churches at Anjilava, Vadakal, Kulangara, and Vettikota. Church records show that Kurianachan was the fourth vicar at the Nedungadapalli parish, 1905 to 1919. 1928, Reverend Kurian died at the age of 83 and was buried at the Nedungadapalli St. Thomas CSI Church Cemetery. His wife, Eli Maman Muleparambil Mundakayam, was a Brahmin convert. She had already converted to Christianity before the marriage. The wedding was solemnized by missionaries. Family name Pallikal. As the church did not own a parsonage of its own, Kurinachan bought a plot of land, built a house, and settled down at Mallapalli West. How did the family get the name Pallikal? Palli means church, and Pallikal to or at the church. Pallikal became popular among the village folk from those who visited the house for medical treatment, enjoying permanently on Kurinachan's abode with the family name Pallikal. Please remember that Kurinachan was an exponent of homeopathy and Ayurveda. Kurinachan's children: Matthew Kurian, Mallapalli West; Sarah, husband Eepan, Maliyekal, Kollaparambu, Kottayam; P.K. Maman, Mallapalli West; Mariam, husband Reverend Philippos Worki, Kallur, Aymanam; Eli, husband Thoma Vergis, Padippurakal, Edathuva; Anna, husband Chaco Vergis, Modayil, Mallapalli West; Chachi, husband Thoma Vergis, Chirudon, Maliyekal, Maraman; Ilachi, husband Philippos Chirian, Madathil, Kayangulam; and Chaco, who died as a student. Kurinachan's son Matthew Kurian, Excise Department, and wife Shosha Matthew, Varatrapallam, Niranam. Matthew Kurian's children: Eli, Kunyamma; Chachi, Tangamma, unmarried; Sarama, unmarried; P.M. Kurian, Kunyunya; and Anna, Babykutti. Eli, Kunyamma; husband Nainan Vergis, Parambil, Kayamkulam. Eli's children: Nainan Vergis, Kunyuti; Matthew Vergis, Mathukutti; Jacob Vergis, Baby; Lily Zachariah, Lillikutti; Mercy Jacob; and Gracie Benjamin. Kunyumariama and Kunyumol died prematurely. P.M. Kurian, Kunyunya; and Tangamma Kurian, Valiagalayil, Kuriyannur. P.M. Kurian's children: Valsa Jacob, Kottayam; and Soma Rajan, Ahmedabad. Anna Philip, Babykutti; and A.P. Philip, Alumootil, Pongunnam. Anna Philip's children: Elizabeth Sunny, Usha, Secunderabad; and Samkutti Philip, Pongunnam. Kurinachan's son P.K. Maman and his wife Sarah Maman, Punnatra Thalathu, Thalathangadi, Kottayam. P.K. Maman's children: Kunyamma, Chinnadi, Kochukunya, Chakochan, Baby, Kunyunya, Lucy, Auseputti, Benny, Kuttiyamma, and Kunya. Eliamma Chaco, Kunyamma, and her husband V.O. Chaco, Kunyappi, Valiyaveetil Puvathungal, Mallapalli West. The Puvathungal siblings: Susan Cherian, Chinnakutti; Thomas Jacob, Achankunya; Maman Jacob, Thambi; Sarama Matthew, Tharuni; Valsan Jacob; Elizabeth Worki, Ammani; Stanley Johnson; Shantamma John; Annamma Punnan, Pooja; and Indira Philippos. Mariam Kuruvula, Chinnadi; and Worki Kuruvula, Vadavarasheril, Kumaragam. Tangamme Isaac, Kuruvula Worki, Kunyumon; Baby John, Babykutti; Kuruvula Maman, Thambi; Kuruvula Abraham, Papachan; Kuruvula Zachariah, Rajan; and Kuruvula George, Georgekutti. P. Maman Kurian, Kochukunya; and Shoshamma Kurian, Kunyamma, Pavathu Kizhakkedil, Kodukulanyi. P.K. Maman, Rari; P.K. Matthew, Thambi; P.K. Kurian, Kuriyachan; P.K. Joseph, Pillachan; Nainan P. Kurian, Thangachan; and Alex P. Kurian, Kunya or Mon. C.P. Maman, Chakochan, Kakanada; and Achimma Maman, Varatrapallam, Kumbanada. Christy Maman, Maman Cherian, Mohan; and Sarama Isaac, Molly. P.M. Maman and Annamma Maman, Chakkalayil, Mallapalli East. Jesse P. Jacob and Janet Maman. PM Matthews Kunyunye and Mariama Matthews Kunyumariama Thannikal Kottayam. Saumini Joy, Bijoy Matthews and Suma Abraham. PM Joseph Auseputi died at the age of 28. PM Cherian Benny and Sarama Cherian Vadakan family Pallikara Aluva. Lucy Andrews and Cora Andrews Andreyochan Panandanath Kolladu Kottayam. P.A. Jacob Kunyuman, Dr. P.A.M. Thambi, Lissy Mani Kochitama, Andrew Papachan and George P. Andrews Kuttan. Shoshama Kurian Kuttiamma and P.K. Kurian Baby Palamattam Kiruvaipur. Moni Thomas, Sarama Umman Mercy, Kuruvala P. Kurian Bava and Maman P. Kurian Saju. PM Alexander Kunya and Sisi Alexander Chemmarapallil Manganam Kottayam. Shiny Sarah Joy, Mariama Philip Merlin and Mamanam Alex Mamachan. Did you know this? According to informed sources, the initial P, widely used as a component of names among members of the root family, is the abbreviation of Puttanpurakkal. Kurinachan's grandfather built a Puttanpura, means new house, on a plot of land locally known as Malaparamba. Mala means hill and Paramba land. Hence, the family name Malamel Puttanpurakkal, new house on a hill. Church denominational rift. Edathumbadikkal family branches are split between Orthodox and CSI liturgies for church worship. On the initiative of a family member, a church was built at Pallam in 1837, where a worship service with a sermon was held every Saturday by Reverend Henry Baker, a CMS missionary, and Holy Kurbana communion by Vicar Reverend Father Mammon. As there was conflict between Anglican and Syrian forms of worship, Reverend Baker took charge and ousted the vicar. Meanwhile, the holy baptism of the son of Kurian Itti, a member of the family, was held in the tradition of Anglican liturgy. This led to a decision to baptize the child again at Chiriyavalli, Kottayam, in Syrian tradition, leading to a denominational split in the Edathumbadikkal family. The church, built at Karimbinkala Kadava in 1837, is St. John the Baptist CSI Church, Pallam.